Alright guys, this is Jordan here from Uprint. To fix or to reduce the white outline around your graphic, whether this is DTF or white toner printer, simply bring in your graphic, click on image, white underbase choke, and you can change that to 3 pixels. So basically what that does is it takes 3 pixels off the edges of the graphic. On every edge of the graphic, it will reduce the white by 3 pixels coming inwards. So you can play around with that. You can go to 3.5, you can go 2.5, but range from 2.5 to 3.5. Alright, very important. If you say print, let's do an example here. I'm going to bring in another. Okay, let's just bring in this graphic again. If I bring in this graphic and then I press print, okay, if it's in the queue manager, what happens is that your white choke underbase is not highlighted anymore, and therefore you need to delete what's in your queue manager before you can edit the graphic. Alright, thanks guys. I hope this helps with the white underbase choke.